So madalas ganito yung nangyayari, lalong-lalo na if bago ka pa lang sa industry ng life insurance, this is the first year, first month mo in the life insurance industry. Kadalasan dyan, lalapitan natin yung mga kakilala natin, which is our family, kamag-anak natin, our parents, mga kapatid natin, and hoping even our friends, mga closest friends natin. Best friends, kasama sa work, kasama sa church, kababata natin. Ito yung mga very close sa atin, no? And more than, siguro malaking chance talaga, I would say. There's a big chance kasi kaya natin nilalapitan is komportable tayo. And there's a big chance for us to close the deal or ika nga makabenta sa mga taong ito. Kasi kilala naman tayo. Kilala ko si Joseph. 'Di ba? Nanay ko yan. So, for sure naman, hindi ako papabayaan ng parents ko. Mga kapatid ko, siyempre, supportahan ako niyan. So, kadalasan, yan ang nangyayari. If ever your parents, your siblings would support you, siguro, one way to look at it is because pinagbibigyan ka niyan. Sige na nga, pagbigyan natin si Joseph kasi first year niya, kailangan niya ng benta. Or kung sakali naman, friend mo, best friend mo, no, lapitan mo, uy, friend, to maganda to. Maganda yan. Ako nang bahala sa'yo. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo. Napakaganda. Kunin mo na to, di ba? Friends naman tayo. Meron pa nga dyan ibang style. Yung kasama mo sa work or medyo familiar kayo. Meron kayo pinagsamahan. Gilang-gilang message ka doon. Sabihin mo, uy, friend, tulungan mo naman ako. Hindi pa kasi ako nakakota. Alam mo naman, kaka-start ko lang dito sa life insurance industry. Sige na, tulungan mo na ako, pagbigyan mo na ako para lang makakota ako. And those are the things na possibly na nangyayari if ever bago ka in this industry. No, nothing wrong with that. It's also one way to see if supportive yung mga tao, no, talagang pagbibigyan ka and if they actually see the need for it also. But here's the most important thing. This is the, I think, yung pinaka gusto kong uh, masabi in this video is that that's fine. Siguro maganda yan. At least that helps you generate sales, generate production for your own career, your own business. It's a win, definitely. Pero more than that, ang gusto kong mangyari is huwag kang matuwa lang sa ganung bagay. Kasi ito yung posibleng mangyari. You know? Nakabenta ka, napagbigyan ka, and then napakasapan ka. Which is okay. Pero the biggest thing na pwede mong gawin is, or the most important thing na dapat mangyari in this industry, in this career of yours, is talagang napag-aralan mo yung product mo. You understood your plan. And you actually see the benefit of the plan for this person, especially your parents, your mga kapatid mo, mga friends mo, mga kilala mo, no? Kasi ayaw mo naman in the long run, ay, kaya ako lang kinuha yan kasi kilala ko naman si Joseph. Hindi ko nga talaga naintindihan yung binibili ko eh. Ano ba yung mga benefits ko? Sabi kasi ni Joseph, ang ganda niyan, no? So, sabi niya, bahala niya sa akin. So, that's the thing that we want to avoid moving forward, no? You want to establish a really good foundation in your business wherein both of you, you're the advisor, you're the agent, understands, have a good knowledge of what you're offering. Ano ba yung product na binibigay mo, binibenta mo, that you see that this is actually the solution to the need of your parents, to the need of your kapatid, to the need of your friends. Kasi those are the people that really want you to succeed in this industry and you want them to have the best also that they're getting from you. Kaya huwag ka lang masanay. Huwag ka lang matuwa na dahil pinagbigyan ka. Tinulungan ka makuha yung quota na yan. Pero talagang pag-aralan mo, what product, what is it, no? Understand ano ba yung value na pwede mo mabigay sa kanila. And ano yung talaga yung makukuha nila from this plan. Kasi in the long run, we don't want to be in that position that we regret or have that tension na, ay, oo nga no, hindi ko pala na-explain, hindi ko pala naintindihan. Kasi madali yan, you know? Dahil at if you're familiar to each other, no, pagbibigyan ka, pakisamahan ka, alam mo naman, here, basta ikaw, no? Pero, the best way to go at it, if you want to be successful, you want to be here in the long time, no, study, pag-aralan po natin ano yung produkto natin and make sure we understand what we're offering. And I think that's the best way for us to be successful the first few months pa lang na ating industry, first few years in our industry.